How to fix System Shock 2 25th Anniversary Remaster crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library section and then right click on the game and then go to properties and then go to installed files. Then you want to click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish repairing your files. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and then right click on the game.exe, go to properties, go to compatibility tab, and then check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Then click on apply and OK. Now you want to click on the play button to launch the game and see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, you want to go to your GPU application. So for example, if you're using or if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you would need to download the NVIDIA app and then open it and then go to drivers section on the left side. Then you want to click on download and install for the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once it's installed, you want to reboot your computer and launch Steam again and then try to play the game, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.